Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix OpenAI services are not available in your country. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do if you are facing the issue that OpenAI services are not available in your country, you simply need to go and search for the Chrome extensions. And from here you need to go into the Chrome Web Store and you search for the free VPN, and you can find different VPNs that you can use. For an example, you simply need to click on that and click on add to Chrome and click on add extension, and it will take few seconds or minutes depending on your internet speed, and you can add this extension into your web browser. And with that extension you can easily change country, and after that you can enjoy VPN. You can enjoy the services of OpenAI. So let me manage the extension from here. So this one, free VPN. So let me add this. So here it is. Click on the pin and you can change the location. So I'm connecting to the Germany, and after that you need to go on to the OpenAI chat GPT, and you can easily enjoy chat GPT. So it will take few seconds, and here you can see that ChatGPT is now working. So this is a process by which you can fix OpenAI services are not available in your country. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.